today we drove around to look at the snow. And we went to the Dollar Tree. What's going on, guys? Epic Paul back on your screen. And today, this is a brand new video. So, it is still snowing outside and we're going to drive around and see what it looks like. Okay guys, so we are at Dollar Tree right now and I'm just looking around. So I'm looking at crafts. Found this little bird feeder by Wood Shop. House you can assemble for bird feed. Think about getting this. Okay guys, so I am back home. I just got done building that birdhouse I bought at the Dollar Tree. But yeah guys, comment down below how do y'all like this vlog. And in case y'all are wondering, how much snow is there in your backyard, Epic Paul? There is still a decent amount, as y'all can tell by my footprint, guys. But anyways guys, let's get a little bit more cinematics. So, if you like this video, comment, subscribe, leave a like, and share with your friends and family. Until next time, peace out. Have a great day. Stay epic.